A very good morning to all my dear students. So we were doing the chapter constructions. Okay, so in constructions we were just learning. We were learning how to construct a triangle when the base is given to you, base angle is given to you, only one base angle, and sum of the other two sides is given. Okay, that we have done. Now the second kind of triangle is you have to construct a triangle ABC, where BC, that means the base is given to you 8 centimeter and the base angle is 45 degree. But now in place of sum, the difference of two sides is given to you, which is 3.5 centimeter. So given, based on these given things, you have to construct a triangle. Okay, so I have already constructed so that it will be easy for you to understand. So first of all, as I told you, as soon as you are doing the constructions, keep on writing the steps. So for this question, I am writing the steps for you, but make sure for the other questions, you will write the steps by your own. Okay. So first of all, you will just construct the base, which is 8 centimeter given to you. Okay, so this is, I'm starting with 1, so it will go till 9. So this is 8 centimeter. So 8 centimeter is the base, which is BC. Then at angle B, at point B, you have to construct 45 degree. Now you have to make sure that you are not using protractor for constructing 45 degree. You have to use only this compass and ruler. You know how to draw. First you will construct 90 degree and then you will bisect it. And you all know how to construct 90 degree. You have to draw this arc from here without changing radius. The first arc will be 60, second will be 120. Then from 60 and 120 you will construct the arcs. It will be your 90 degree. Okay, and for bisecting it, the same arc you will consider. One you will construct the arc from this point and one from this side. So this is 45 degree. I'm not showing the constructions because you all know how to construct the 45 degree. Now this is a ray BX. A long ray you will construct and name it as BX. Now what you have to do is you have to measure what was the difference given. AB minus AC is 3.5 centimeter. So you will mark a point D at a distance of 4.5 centimeter from B. So you can see this is 3.5 and this is point D. Now you have to join D and C. So we have joined this, okay, D and C. These 2 points we have joined. Now the next step is you have to construct the perpendicular bisector. And you all know how to construct the perpendicular bisector. You have to take more than half of this line. You have to open the radius more than half and then one arc from this side, both ways, up side and up downside, one from this side, upside and downside. Then just construct this perpendicular bisector, and wherever this perpendicular bisector is bisecting the previous ray BX, that point will be point A. Okay, so you have got A, you have got B, you have got C. Now you have to just join A and C. Now you can see all the other constructions are with pencil, and the final triangle, which is the triangle ABC, I have marked it with black sketch. So this triangle ABC is the required triangle. Okay, so you can see, and just for verification and justification, you have to write AD is equal to AC. This AD will be equal to AC. Okay, and BD, which is this BD, it is AB minus AD. So when you will just measure with the ruler, you will observe that this AB is, how much is this? You can just measure it. So this is, I have not written over here, you can just verify it. This is coming 12 centimeter. Okay, this is actually 11.5 centimeter. So you can see, and this is 8 centimeter. So 11.5 centimeter, 8 minus 8 will give you 3.5 centimeter. So you have verified your answer. So this is the construction when difference of two sides is given. Now third question is exactly same like this, which you have to do by your own. Fourth question, as I told you, is not there in the syllabus. It has been deleted as it includes the perimeter of triangle, which is deducted. Now we'll see the last sum of this exercise, question number 5. So in question number 5, you have to construct a right triangle whose base is 12 centimeter and sum of hypotenuse and other side is 18 centimeter. So this is basically the similar to question number 1, which we have already done. I've done the construction for you, but you have to write the steps by your own. Okay, so first thing you have to construct is the base PQ, which is 12 centimeter. So we have drawn PQ as 12 centimeter. Then at point P, we have to construct 90 degree. You all have practiced till now how to construct 90 degree. Now you will construct a ray, a long ray, and I will just advise you to use the longer scale for this, okay, longer ruler for this, because this is a small one. So we will just extend it, and since you want 18 centimeter as the sum, so at least this ray PX should be greater than 18. Okay, so after that from P you will just measure the distance. This much is 15, then 16, 17 and 18. So this point S, it is at a distance of 18 centimeter from P. Now you have to join S and P. As you can see, I have just constructed. Then you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of this line QS. For that, the same method, you know how to construct the perpendicular bisector. So you have to open more than half. You have to take the radius as more than half. Okay, and then one side from this and once from this side, and then you know this is the perpendicular bisector. Okay, you have just drawn it dotted. Make sure you are also using the dotted line for this. So this dotted line is the perpendicular bisector, and where it is intersecting the previous line PS, give that name as R. Okay, this is point R. Then just join R with Q. So this is RQ. So this triangle PQR is the required triangle which we wanted to construct. And for justification, you can just verify how much is this PR. So you can see this is 5 centimeter, and this RQ hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, and 13 plus 5 is giving you 18 centimeter. So for justification, you can just write that statement, and please don't forget to write the steps of construction. So this way we have completed the chapter construction. So all of you complete all the remaining sums and write all the steps of construction. So that's all for today. Thank you.